how to run a profitable YouTube ads. You must have gone to YouTube and then you are scrolling up, and then before you know it, an advert pops up on the YouTube. So this is how they do it. There is no rocket science in it. It is very easy to do. And before you run a YouTube ads, it is also important for you to know that you should have a YouTube account, because unlike the Facebook advert where you can use flyers, YouTube advert you use only what pictures, all right? YouTube advert you use only what videos. Unlike the Facebook, where you can also use both picture and video, but in YouTube ads you only use what videos. And then you don't just post any video, because the first 5 seconds, if your video is not catchy, if it is not telling people what they need to know immediately, they will skip that video. Nigerians are impatient. You are also a victim of this. You are also impatient. All right. So you don't have to start saying blah blah blah. Just go straight to the point. Tell them what you want them to know, and make sure it is catchy. It will hold them to your screen, because once they are held the first 5 minutes, that means your advert will convert. And also make sure you are also signed in on your Chrome browser. All right, signed in on your Chrome browser before you proceed with running what these are YouTube ads. Why are you running YouTube ads? All right, why are you running YouTube ads? Now, as I was saying before, sorry, I had to pause and then take a call. Now, I said that we have an estimate of 5.29 million users in Nigeria, and then you can't neglect these statistics, which is projected to reach an estimation of 11.99 million users by 2025. In fact, even globally, there are about 2.56 billion users of YouTube. So it is not an angle we should neglect. That is why I integrated it into this course. All right. So running YouTube ads is very, very easy. It's very, very easy. The most important thing, guys, is that let your video be catchy. Because if your video is not catchy, or more, it will not convert. There is no magic in it. You understand? Here, you don't have to write sales copies and the rest of it. When we proceed, you will see. All right, let's go to the next phase. Now, what do you use YouTube ads for? It can use YouTube ads for growing brands and also to promote your YouTube channel. You can also use it for music promotion, for also advertising digital and also physical products, for advertising online and physical class and training. If you have an online class you want to advertise, you can advertise it using YouTube ads. YouTube ads is also almost known as what the Google ads, all right, because it's integrated in Google. So if you're a realtor, you promote houses, the rest of it you can also use. In fact, you can use it for virtually everything and anything. The most important thing is that, guys, let your video be catchy. So after this class, it is expected that you can run ads for your clients and also for yourself. So I don't want this video to be long. Let's go straight to the practicals. All right, let me open a new tab. Just type in YouTube. All right, youtube.com. all right, youtube.com/ads. all right, /ads. youtube.com/ads. So once you do that, you click on enter. All right, you click on enter. So this interface will open. All right. Sorry guys, if you read through this interface, I'm so fast because most people don't like watching lengthy videos. And if you're hearing a noise in the background, please, I'm sorry about that. Just focus on the message. So you can see saying reach your customers and find new ones. Now I want you to look at something here that I've been saying. All right. You say, you say a picture is worth 1,000 words. Video is worth 1,000,000. Guys, if your video is not catchy, straight to the point, and it should be 3 minutes plus. It shouldn't be too lengthy. 3 minutes plus. Calculate it, hit the nail. All right. Not that you can't upload more than 3 minutes or 4 minutes or 5 minutes. You will see it as we proceed, but it has been shown that the lesser time duration the video, the higher your conversion will be, because people are really impatient. I'm telling you, people don't have time to listen to nonsense. All right. So if you scroll down, you can go down and then read through and all those stuff. That's not our problem. So our problem is just to get going. All right. So the next thing you need to do once you get it is to click on what? Start what? Advertising. So once you click on start advertising here, a new interface will open. I've clicked on it. A new interface will open. This thing will boot, an interface will open. Now look at this. I have a Google Ads account. So yours might not show anything here, all right? Yours might not show anything here, all right? So yours might not show anything here. So all you need to do is to what? Switch new Google account, create new Google account, because here you don't have an account. This is displaying because I have one. So click on what? New Google account. Once you create new Google account and you want to start promoting again, whenever you come to youtube.com/ads, you just click on your Google account and then use it and also run another what? Campaign. I hope you understand what I'm saying. All right. So I'm clicking on new Google Ads account. Like I said, make sure you are signed in into your Chrome browser. Make sure you are signed into your Chrome browser, guys. It is very, very important. So once you click on that, you will see that this new interface will open. So it's now asking us. Remember, I said something that you can use it to promote music and the rest of it. So it's asking us options. Do you want to drive video view traffic to your website, drive video views and engagement with your channel, depending on what you want to do. So if you want to drive the traffic to your website, you click the word first one. So mine is to drive a traffic to my website. So I click on this first one. So once you click on it, this interface will open, all this interface. So what you need to do is to the URL of that your video which you want to run, which you want to use to run the Facebook advert. That's why I say you must upload your video to YouTube. So I'll come to my YouTube account here. I already have my video. How do you upload YouTube to your video? How do you upload your video to your YouTube? Simply come to your youtube.com login, all right? Then make sure if you're using a phone, make sure it's on laptop mode. If you're using a phone, that means click this three-dotted line here. If you click on it, it will bring out some drop down and show desktop. Tick it. So if you're using a laptop, this is the interface you see. Just simply come here, you see create. Come here, create, and then you see upload videos. Once you click on upload videos, then select the file, upload, and then follow the process. It's relatively easy, or you can use a YouTube video to search on how to upload YouTube videos. So this is the video I want to use. I'll click here and then I'll get the shareable link. I'll get the shareable link here. I click on it, it has copied. I come back to this place and then I'll paste it here, all right? It will search. I want you to see something. It's telling me that videos longer than 3 minutes don't usually perform well as shorter videos. This video will do well. It's 4 minutes 47 seconds. It's not too much. That's why I say you shouldn't upload longer videos. You can upload longer videos, it depends on the message. That is what I'm saying. If you can hold people spellbound, you're diagnosing their pain, because the sales copy here is in your video. You are not coming to write any sales copy here. The sales copy is in this video. It's in this video here that is displaying here. All right? Okay. So I'm going to proceed. So I've pasted the video. Now, what is the landing page? Remember, the landing page is your sales page. All right. So maybe this is the sales page I want to use for this course. Okay, digicreator.com.ng / let's say this. All right. This is the sales page I want to use. All right. So what is the headline? Button label. I will click on this to close this. Click on this to close this. Then click here. Options will come out. So once options comes out now, depending on what you're doing, if it's download now, order now, play now, start now, watch now, buy now, I can say start now. All right. So headline, he says it should not be more than 15 characters. This one should not be more than 10 characters. You can see we don't have much to do here. So the main sales copy is in your video, guys. Please, is in your video. All right. So headline, I can say Facebook. Let's say Facebook Facebook ads course. Let me see if this will enter. As you can see, so you have to manage this Facebook ads. So once this is done, as you can see, it's popping up here. All right. So I'll come down here and click on next. Once you have filled everything here, I click on next. So I'm clicking on next. Now it is showing me this page. All right. I will explain this side. First of all, if this is not in Nigeria, please close it and add location. Click on add location. then just type on Nigeria. All right, sorry, Nigeria, and make sure it's in what country? Nigeria, country. I click on country. If you want to target what is it called, states, you can also what target. You can close this, add location. You can say Lagos. Let's say Lagos. All right, Lagos. Let it be Lagos, Nigeria city. It should be what? City. All right, it should be what? City. So I'm target. If you click on it, you can see use advert will only be shown to people what? In what? Lagos. So I'm closing this. I want to leave it as broad as possible. I click on add location. I type on Nigeria, which is what? Country. All right, country. Then as you can see, it is now telling me that I'll reach an estimated people of 35,000 to 110,000. But people who are likely to view this my advert is 17,000 to 47,000, as you can see. All right. You say a view is counted when someone shows interest and watches 30 seconds of your video ad. So once someone watches up to 30 seconds, you have a view. So that's why your video shouldn't be what? Too lengthy. It should be catchy and straight to the word point. Then how much are you going to be charged when someone watches your video? You're going to be charged an average of 0.02. That's around 2 cents. So what languages? Please close what? Chinese. Close it. I'm closing it. So once you're done, okay, you come down here and click on what? Next. You come down here and click on next. Now this is another interface. Remember, it depends on what you are selling. Now this is the gender. All right, this is the gender. So if the goods you are promoting or what you're promoting is just for male alone, then what you need to do is to what? You simply tick on remove male, remove what? Unknown, and leave it to what? Female. At least one option has to be selected. Okay, you click on what? Female. All right, so if it is of male alone, you untick male, untick female, sorry, and add what? Male. All right, but if it's all, you just tick everything. The same thing with age. If you have watched the Facebook ad course, all right, you understand all this. All right, so parental status, not a parent, just leave this. All right, just leave it. So select your age. If you're promoting a product, maybe you are selling houses, you don't expect 18 to 24, you untick it. All right, so once you are done, all you need to do is to come down here and click on what? Next. Now it's now telling us if we want to reach people with specific what? Interest. So this is where detailed targeting comes into place, or interest as broad as what possible. So we are going to allow it to load up. We are going to allow it to load up, and then we will look at the interest. All right, we look at the interest. Okay, so it has opened. So look at now the interest. Remember, in our Facebook ad, we have detailed targeting as well. We have zero targeting, which I taught us. Remember? So right here now we have interest. So what interest? Before now, this used to show all the interest. Before now, the interface has changed. So all you need to do is to search the interest on your own. If you are promoting, maybe let's say human hair. Once you type human hair, all the interest will come out. As you can see, you now choose. Do not stack so much. Do not choose so much. 2 or 3 is okay. All right. So if you are promoting, maybe let's say fitness. All right. Type fitness. You can see they are coming up. You can see. All right. You choose the one you want to choose. People's interests and habits. All right. If you're maybe digital marketing. All right. You can see they are all popping up. You also select let's say content creation. Let me see if something will pop up with content creation. Content marketing. Or you can see. All right. Let me say Facebook advertisement. As you can, so just take time. You understand? Type in your detailed interest, your major interest, it will pop up. You now select what you want. I hope you understand what I'm saying, guys. You now select what you want. All right. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to leave this keep interest as broad as possible. That is what I'm going to do for this tutorial. Okay. So once you're done, you click on what? Next. All right. So it's asking us to select what? Budget. Now, before now, Naira used to work, but please leave this in dollar. Leave this in dollar. If not, you will have issues. your payment will have issues. Leave it in US dollar. Our Nigerian currency and countries is somehow giving issues. So leave it in this. So maybe how much do you want to spend per day? Maybe you say you want to spend let's say $7. All right, let's say $7. All right, that's what you want to spend. So let me type $7. Let me first of all go to, let me say Naira to dollar and know how much it is today. Naira to dollar in black market, because that's what they will charge us. It's around 747. So 747. So if you say 747 times 7, that means you want to spend an average of 5,000 plus. All right. So this is what it is: 747 to 765. All right. That is the amount. Let's click here to see the amount. As you can see, 765. May God help us. 765. Hold on, guys. So check the amount in dollars. Check the Naira and see what it is. So here now, as you can see, this is roughly 5,000 plus. So let's say $5. Let me say $5 a day. That is what I want to spend. That is okay. So now, how long will your ads run? So if you put it continuously, to continue to run until you off it. So if you select end date here, if you select end date, now it has selected 27th March. Today is 13th. So the date you are promoting this advert is here already, and then it has selected end date, that is from 13th to 27th. So that is too long for me. So I may select since I'm 13th here, I'll say 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I want it to run for 5 days. That 5 days is what? $25 dollars. All right. Select end date. Now that is if I want it to run for 5 days. So I can, what I'll do here now is this. Okay, so as I was saying, the end date here, you select it. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to select run continuously. Now, whenever I want to off my advert, I can simply come back and then off it. So I will advise you to do like that. But if you want to set end date, you can set end date. The reason why I leave it continuous is because sometimes these ads might be in learning phase, and then the first 2-3 days is from the 5th day it might pick up and start doing very well. So once you're done selecting, please just take time and watch this video. Once you're done selecting, all you need to do is to come down here and click on next. So it will now bring a review of everything that you have done. If there's something you want to change, if you want to change the campaign name, you just click on this button here. All right, if you click on it, as you can see, it's editable. All right, so I'm not editing anything. Then your landing page, where you want people to go to once they watch this stuff. Remember, we imputed it. All right, this is not working. I just imputed this for tutorial purpose. All right, so you can see everything. It's saying that your daily budget is $5 So all you need to do is to click on next. So if you click on next, it should bring us to where we are going to set up our billing. That is what to pay. All right, so guys, here lies the issues. Now most of our Nigerian cards don't work, so you need a virtual dollar card. So you can try GigPay, you can try GigPay, you can try what's it called, Gray, you can try Eversend. You understand, all those cards, all right, can work. All right, so billing, country, confirm payment info, and the rest of it. Promo code, leave it. If you want them to send you performance tips and surveys to try new features, I'll click yes. I would want them to send me those stuff. And then as you can see, it has shown my payment ID, payment profile ID, and then automatically, I think my card is saved here. It has shown my card. So if there is no card here, mine is showing card. You can say add credit or debit. All right, so yours might just be like this. All right, so all you need to do is to add your card number. All you need to add is your card number. As you can see, it uses Visa, MasterCard, and the rest of it. So if you try your Naira card, it doesn't work, my brothers and sisters, is general. Don't start worrying anybody. It's general. All you need to do is to just create a virtual dollar account, as I said before. input it here, your card number. All right, input your card CCV, that's month and year, and then your CCV, and then the address, and then automatic payment. Now let me click here, let me explain something. Let me click here. Please, I will advise you click on manual payments. Click on manual payments. Specify amount you want to pay. The reason why I said manual payment here now is just like a postpaid and prepaid in Facebook advert. You understand? Then your advert would continue to run if it is automatic payment, and then at the end of the day they will charge you. But put manual payment, please, brothers and sisters, put manual payment. How much do you want to spend? Specify your amount. You can put something like, as I want my advert to run for 5 days. All right, I want my advert to run for 5 days. That is what I want. I can say maybe I want to input $50, or I want to put $30, or I want to put $25 in this account. I want to put it in this account, this payment profile ID account. You put it, and then make sure that this card you are imputing also has this same specific word amount. Okay, guys? So please listen carefully. Make sure that if you're imputing $25, make sure that your account has up to this word amount. Or if you are running advert maybe $5 per day, you can put $10, $15, but make sure that the amount for your ad, you have it in your card. Even if it's not up to 25, you are running $5 ad every day. You understand what I'm saying? You're running $5 ad every day. Share you get, and then you can impute $10, $15. Once the $10, $15 is exhausted, your advert will stop running. But if you put it on automatic, your advert will continue to run, and at the end of the day, you will be billed. So it might bill you more than that. Is your advert might run more than what you wanted to spend, and then you start having issues making your payments. Your account will be on hold and the rest of it. So always use manual payment. On how money finish for your account, you top up. You understand? So once you're done imputing all the details as I said, you come here and click what? Submit. Once you submit, your advert will be reviewed. Okay, your advert will be reviewed, and once it is approved, your advert will start what? Running. If you want to run another campaign, you simply come to youtube.com/ads. You click on it, it opens up, and then your ad account will show. Click on that, your ad account, and then you start running your advert. Again, you can also see your statistics from there. Am I communicating, guys? So please watch this video over and over. It's very, very simple, and then you can start running your YouTube ads and Google ads. It's very, very important that your video is catchy. That is the most important thing. All right, that is the most important thing. Let your video be catchy. Let it give the message that you want it to give, because people are impatient. 3 seconds or 5 seconds your video, you're just talking blah blah blah, you're not making it, they will just swipe it. You do it when you see adverts on YouTube, you just bam, you swipe it, and then that means your money is wasting. Okay, so I wish you all the best, guys. Thank you.